Hey everyone, welcome to the Copilot Exchange. This is Steven. It's May 16th, 2019, and I want to revisit VYST today, that's ticker VYST, as I recently published a relative strength index strategy for this stock, and it's starting to show signs of validity. So before I get started, it may help to reference my original RSI video on VYST to get perspective on our current price action and my current strategy. Just click on the tag in the top right if you want to watch that video first to get caught up. I'm using TradingView as my platform, and as you can see, I have a relative strength index or RSI chart indicator on the bottom half of my screen, and then a normal candlestick price action on the top half. And we're using the daily chart for a better perspective on long-term RSI trends, which you can change right here if you want to select a day. Now you may recall I marked a downtrend in the daily RSI in my previous video and posed a question: what would you do if the RSI touched the oversold line? And in that video, I thought the oversold line would be at 30. Well, let me show you what I did. After I published that last video, I noticed that the 35 RSI was actually a more substantial and trustworthy indicator of oversold status for this stock. So I marked it here with a yellow line. And if you go back in time, even up to 2 years, you can see that 35 serves as a pretty solid support structure for the daily RSI price action. And whenever and you can see it either respects the 35 or crosses over and quickly retraces when it crosses this line. So using this as my strategy, I bought some shares at 0.044 cents, and you can see this was my just theoretical strategy in the past. What if I had bought here and sold here? So I'm actually executing this strategy now. In real life, I actually made a real purchase. So I'm going to continue to wait, but as I'm waiting, I'm noticing the RSI is once again respecting 35. And flash forward, we had our 10Q got released yesterday, which acted as a positive news catalyst while the stock was oversold. And sure enough, that caused a trend reversal, pretty hard trend reversal. So I would keep your eye on now the midline, the 50 RSI, which is our next inflection point. So if right now it's acting as a level of resistance, but we could easily see this cross the 50 and hopefully turn into a level of support. So once again, last time we crossed 50 on this kind of trajectory, look at what happened in early January. So my strategy: buy when it's oversold, sell when it's overbought. And right here you can see overbought for me is going to be around 80. So if we start tapping that level, I'll start considering offloading some shares, but not all my shares, as I'm actually planning on holding this stock, or the bulk of my shares, for a longer period of time. But I hope this video helped you understand VYST's recent trend reversal. And just keep in mind, I always strongly suggest using different indicators to inform your buy and sell orders. And when indicators converge, in this case, it's an uptrending RSI with a positive news catalyst, that may be a good time to consider making a move with your buy and sell orders. So I will close with this thought. Ever since I started understanding RSI action, my stress level as a trader has gone way down, and price action has started to make a lot more sense to me. So once again, hope this video helped, and I will see you all on the other side. Thanks for watching.